Can you say, let's go Red Sox? Let's go Red Sox. Ooh, Henry, some people were wearing the yellow shirts, remember? We were talking about those the other day? All right, Camden, yeah. Okay, so gate C.
I'm assuming it's going to be...
It's in this corner right here. One's A and one's C, so... Yeah, unfortunately. Although they might have... Maybe they have little outpost stands maybe to have it, but... I didn't see any. I just seen... The only one I seen was in that building. Relish one. You see the hot dogs? Say cheese.
Started.
Yeah, look at mama. Here we are, Camden Yards. Stadium number 5 for the little one. Henry, say hi. Stadium number 6 for that guy for the MLB box. Sue and I have already been here. It's probably the stadium I've been the second most to of all MLB. So beautiful day here. A little overcast, it's muggy, it's warm, it feels good. Rain's holding out, so having a good time. Sox out losing 7-0, so other than that, everything seems to be peachy. Red Sox lost. Wow. Henry, Red Sox lost.
Yeah, there's 5.
So it's your first time at the stadium. What did you think? Did you have a good time? Did you have fun? You slept half the game though. You didn't miss much though. Hey, Henry, say cheese.
That's so cute.
Say cheese.
Look at Daddy.
You want to go over there? Yeah, Charlotte, go over there. Run over the brother. Okay, go quick. Charlotte, say cheese.
Turn around.
You got it? All right. All right, Shal, say hi. Say cheese.
Charlotte, turn around.
All right.
Look at Daddy.
Say cheese. All right. Say cheese.
Cheese!
All right. All right. Say cheese. All right. Good job. All right. We got one more. All right. We gotta wait our turn, okay?
Gotta wait your
Henry, say cheese. Say cheese. Get in the front. Ready? Say cheese. All right, good job, buddy. Shake his head, Henry. There you go. Good job. I know. He was a nice guy. I did post that. There's one that's from an Indians player. That's from an Orioles player. There's a Red Sox player right there. Look at that. That's Mo Vaughn right there, Henry. First baseman. That's pretty cool. We gotta find the Ken Griffey one on the wall, though. Oh, they changed the Indians' name? Come on, Henry. Oh, okay. Go over there, Bubs. Henry, come over here, buddy. I want to see you on this side.
Henry, this side, babe. Here, buddy.
Right there. Yeah, you can jump up. There you go. Say cheese. Look at me.
Oh, that's a cute picture, Bob.
Cool, bub. Awesome.
I think they have it locked.
Yeah, you can't get in there.
Look at the field.
All right, cool. Hey, Henry. Yeah, under control.
Steam coming out of the ground. Hold on, though, 1 second. Henry, stay in. Alright, I'm gonna have you sit in the cart, okay? While we go find a restaurant, right?
I left the store. I tooted, and I think I hit my pants. She's rubbing it on like suntan lotion. You're a gross kid. They're covered with French. Charlotte. Woo! There's some scary clouds up there. It looks like something out of Twister.
That's like,
It looks like end of the world shit, doesn't it?
yeah.
That looks like we better be in our hotel room before that thing sets over the hotel. Otherwise, we're gonna be wetter than a guy who fell in a swimming pool.
Wet hit.
Woo, doggy. Steam coming up. What the fuck's going on here? Cops over there. Baltimore Street. Hey, 11.